Hello, everybody. Welcome to Fame World Educational Hub. Myself, Aishwarya Saxena, and in this MySQL series, which is going on the channel Fame World Educational Hub, I am moving with another program today. In today's video, I am going to discuss that how you can update the record into the database simply with the help of the query using Python code. So, like you can see that multiple videos have already been uploaded, and here is the playlist of Python MySQL. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe it. And if you have not watched the previous videos, kindly watch it. Now I am coming here to the PyCharm software where we are working. I'm just opening a new program file. I'm creating a new program file, Pro 8. And now I will simply create a program to update the record. So here I'm just mentioning update records using Python code. So importing mysql.connector. Then I'm taking here a variable mydb equals to mysql.connector.connect. So here I'm mentioning localhost. Okay, sorry. Host equals to localhost I'm taking this way. Then user equals to root. Then password equals to nothing because I don't have any password. And database, whatever you are using, you can mention. I am using DB2, so I have taken that only. After that, simply we need the cursor. So I'm taking my db.cursor, and here I'm taking s equals to update book. That is the database. Update book. Book is the table which we are using, in which we have to update the records. And I'm taking set price equals to, let's say I'm taking condition price plus 10, where price greater than 200. Wherever the price is greater than 200, there the price will be incremented by 10. So execute the query S, and I'm taking here mydb.commit. So this you have to do here. Now I'm just opening the MySQL first of all. MySQL client I have to open now because I will be showing you that how the things are getting updated there. Let it be open. Here you can see, and I don't have any password, so enter. Now here I'm just doing show databases, so everything you will be able to see properly. Show databases. Oh, sorry, with space. So these are the database I'm using, DB2. So you can see database changed messages here. Then I'm writing show tables. So inside this database, book table is present. Describe book. So you can see book ID, title, price, these things are here. And if I just do select asterisk from book, so these are the records present here, you can see. So you can see that what are the records and what are their like simply values. You can see like here every price is above 200. Like if we check our condition, so it is price greater than 200. Whenever the price is greater than 200, so it will be updating the value by 10. So that means it is 53, it will be 63. This is also 63, this is 33. It will be updated. Right now it is not updated because I have to run this program. I have not yet run this program. So I'm right clicking on it and I'm running this program. It will be giving us process finished with exit code 0. So exit code 0, and here I am again running the select query. So now you can see that what are the differences. Okay, just a second. So here you can notice the differences. It was 53, now it is 63, it was 53, 453, it is 463, 23, 33, 32, 42, 12, 22, 12, 22. So now you can see each and every record is updated as it should be. It is just updated with the proper values, as it will be like it was required to be incremented by 1. Sorry, by 10. So the values are now incremented by 10 in the database, and you can see this clearly here in the database because the previous output and the current output is in front of you. You can compare it and contrast it. So this way you can see the code and the output is in front of you. You can simply update the records using the Python code. Whichever like condition you want to take, you can obviously take. I will be also telling you multiple conditions in this playlist, multiple ways of implementing the queries. So stay tuned. And in case you are new to this channel, Framework Educational Hub, don't forget to subscribe because a lot of good videos are coming to like going to be coming soon on this channel. And also the Java 19 playlist is going on. So in case you are interested in learning Java 19, so this is also like simply recently getting updated, and there will be approximately 100 plus videos coming in this series and multiple videos in this series. The Python MySQL database connectivity series is actually linked with this one, this Python programming, which is having 90 videos you can see. So simply, if you are like learning Python and you want to learn basics also, so you can go with this playlist, Python programming. It is having the basics of Python from the very basic. It is starting, so you can just refer it. And I will share the link. I am sharing the link in the description also. Okay, so I hope you have liked this video. Hit the like button. In case you have any query, comment your queries in the comment section. And you are new to this channel, so please subscribe it and also press the notification bell, because only after pressing the notification bell you will be able to get the notifications of my latest uploads. Thank you and see you in the next video.